Hello guys and girls, in today's video I'm gonna be looking at this beautiful platter, all dark. Let me show you how it looks. So I was walking in the store and I noticed this and I figured, could this be silver? So I decided to pick it up. I think the price was like $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. Not a lot of money at all. There we go, how it looks on the back. Doesn't look like anything special, but the reason I thought that this could be silver, the color kind of reminded me that tarnished silver could look like that. Maybe I'm wrong, but let's take a look. So this platter has a top, which is right there, and the bottom will be right the opposite side. So I'm going to be testing this side here on this stone. Let's go ahead and start. I'll be making multiple marks just to get a consistent result. So this one I'm kind of pushing harder just to get a bigger scratch. There we go. So that's number one. Kind of looks white and blue to me, which is kind of strange. This is how the piece looks here. The part that we scratched. Let's do one more. So again, metal looks kind of, it's weird, it looks blue. It's not white, it's kind of gray blue. Yeah, like white gray, and that's how the piece looks here. So the metal looks inside. It's definitely white metal, which is great. The question is it silver? So we have our pieces done. Today I'm going to be using my 18 karat gold acid for this testing. Let's apply it and see what we're going to get. Let's apply on mark number one and see what's going to happen. I'm going to do 2 drops. Let's take a look. Okay, so I can see it's starting to... It's becoming, like it's not eating it away, but it's also not much is happening there. I would say the reaction is very, very similar to silver. I don't see anything blue. It seems like the color stays the way it was at the beginning, so it's like gray. It's not paper color for sure. It's paper color, but it's darker. It's like darker paper color. Maybe on the camera it looks a bit blue, but it's not really blue. Like this piece right there, it doesn't look blue at all to me. It just looks like silver, but it's just not becoming white, not becoming blue. It just remains exactly same like these two colors. Okay, let's apply second mark to see if that's gonna be consistent. Okay, so 2 drops on that one. Got a bubble there. Let's pop that. And I got a bit of a on the third one as well. We'll just do that too. There you go. I'm having a hard time calling this silver. Unless maybe you're familiar with this reaction, you can tell me that this is silver, but it's not 925 silver. Because I used to be testing things like this, right? Everyone knows this coin. I'm sure you do as well. So maybe what I'll do, we'll do another scratch right here and apply acid to it to see how that's gonna compare. Let's just do one more scratch. So we do know this coin is real for sure. It was purchased at the mint. So I know that this is real silver and this is the coin. I'm gonna apply 18 karat acid to it. Let's take a look how that's gonna compare to what we're looking at in the first 3 marks. Okay, I dropped 3 drops on it. Well, I can definitely see the difference. This is nice and blue, like bright blue. In the sun it's just bright blue. And these three staying dark. Let's just get a shade in here a bit. Maybe you can see better in the shade. So you see there's slight difference, right? The reaction of the particles looks to be very similar, like how it looks, but the color is not similar. Now I would say this one looks blue and that one looks blue and this one looks more white. Yeah, this is very confusing. I have no clue what this is. So if anyone can help, this is the piece. By the way, there are no markings on the back at all. Like there's nothing. Nothing at all. It's just whatever we see in the front. That's what we have. I'm gonna show it to you how it looks again. So if anyone could help to identify what exactly it is, please let me know. I'd really appreciate that. Would be good to know. Anyway, that's the results that we have for today. Unfortunately, based on this test, I cannot conclude that this is silver. But again, we can't really compare this. This thing is 0.9999 fine silver. I highly doubt that this is same. This could be maybe 925, but I would say maybe it's 800 or 80% silver. If this is how 80% silver looks, and you know that that's how it looks, please let me know. I'd really appreciate that so I know what this piece is. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate the time. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. I'll talk to you in the next one.